B, here we go today. We're gonna make a little gravy. I got the iron skillet right here on the Loco 36-inch griddle. I'm gonna break out just a little over a quarter stick of butter, get that melted down right there. That butter's all melted down. We're gonna hit it with about a quarter cup right there of flour, all-purpose flour. We're just gonna kind of whisk that in. All right, B, we're gonna throw down some of them onions right there. Oh, you can hear them right there. We're gonna grill down them onions. We got that roux going down right here. We're gonna hit it with some of that beef broth right now going in. We just want to keep whisking, making that gravy right now, the beef broth. Now we're getting that all whisked down like that. We're gonna hit it with that brown sugar water. Ooh, everybody likes that brown sugar water. That brown sugar water in there like that. You know I like that black pepper. We're gonna season it up. Hit it with a little black pepper like that. Ooh, Hit it with a little salt. Not much salt. Like that, because we're gonna hit it, come right back. We're gonna hit it with that all-purpose Southern Boys love right here. Oh, look at that color going on right there. Got them onions all sauteed down. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna move them right over here in this gravy. Some onions right over there in that gravy like that. Ooh, looking good, smelling good already. Get that all mixed around. Look at that. Just look at that, would you? Well, bunny po' boy bread, whatever you want to call it. Getting it laid down right there. Get that griddle cranked on up right there. And as you see right here, B, look at that gravy with them onions in it. Huh? Is that starting to look good? Look at that thickening up right there. Ooh. Look at that, B. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. I went by Cane's this morning, picked up 2 pounds of roast beef. Throw that down on that griddle like that. Boy, it's gonna be some good roast beef sandwiches here today. And all this stuff here, y'all, it's already cooked. We're just getting it all spread out. Hit that with that Southern Boys all-purpose. It's a little color to it right there, a little Cajun kick to it. You know how we like to do it. Hit that on there like that. And it looks good, smells good already. There we go. We got them laid out in 6 sections. Now we're gonna come back. We're just gonna drop that mozzarella cheese right over the top of them like that. I'm telling y'all, this is looking good, smelling good already. All right, we got that cheese on there, B. Stir that gravy up right there a little bit. And then we're gonna lid it on down. Ooh, we're gonna let that cheese melt down. It's gonna be ready to serve. Here we go. Look at that gravy right there. Get that gravy mixed up a little bit. That's looking good, smelling good right there. Now, B, what I'm gonna do, we're gonna take a plate right here. Give me one of them toasted up buns right here. That old bunny bread. And I'm gonna reach right back here. This one here. I'm just gonna pick it up. And I'm gonna lay it right on that po' boy bread, just like that. Look at that, huh? Oh, man. You know I can't leave nothing behind. Get that on there like that. Now we'll come in here, B. Come in here with that gravy and onions right here. Get a little bit of that gravy and onions on it right there. Look at that. And I'm just gonna pour that right down the middle of it. Ooh-wee. Huh? Look at there, y'all. Roast beef po' boy with onion gravy with some mozzarella cheese. I'm telling you right now, y'all, it just don't get no better than that right there.